Hello all, welcome to your schemes. I'm Ilakya. I hope you are all doing well. Today in this video we are going to see 6 best banks which offers highest interest rate for a tenure of 2 years to 3 years. We bring to you latest bank news and financial updates. We also talk about LIC policies, post office schemes and mutual funds. So please make sure to subscribe to your schemes and hit the bell icon. Let's start with State Bank of India. It is offering an interest rate of 3% to 7% for a tenure of 7 days to 10 years. And for a tenure of 2 years to 3 years, it is offering 7%. Under a special scheme offered by SBI, that is Amrit Kalash, it offers 7.1% for general public. Next on the list is HDFC Bank. It is offering 3 to 7.2% for a tenure of 7 days to 10 years. And for a tenure of 2 years to 3 years, it is offering 7%. For senior citizen, it is offering 7.5%. Next on the list is ICICI Bank. For a tenure of 7 days to 10 years, it is offering a interest rate ranging from 3% to 7.1%. The highest interest rate 7.1% is for a tenure of 18 months to less than 2 years, and for senior citizens it is 7.6%. But for the tenure of 2 years to 3 years, this bank is offering 7% to general public and 7.5% to senior citizens. Now let's move on to Punjab National Bank. For a tenure of 7 days to 10 years, this bank is offering a range of 3.5% to 7.25%. The highest interest rate 7.25% is offered for a tenure of 444 days. Whereas for a tenure of 2 years to 3 years, this bank is offering 7% to general public and 7.5% to senior citizens. Next we have Canara Bank. This bank is offering 4% to 7.25% for a tenure of 7 days to 10 years, and this highest interest rate of 7.25% is offered for a tenure of 444 days. For a tenure of 2 years to 3 years, this bank is offering 6.85% to general public and 7.35% to senior citizens. Lastly, we have Yes Bank. This bank is offering 3.25% to 7.50% for a tenure of 7 days to 10 years. The highest interest rate is 7.5%, which is for a tenure of 10 months to less than 24 months. For a tenure of 2 years to 3 years, this bank is offering 7.25% to general public and 7.75% to senior citizens. If you want to do fixed deposit for a tenure of less than 2 years, then you can go for Yes Bank. It is offering the highest interest rate, that is 7.5%. If you want to do fixed deposits for a tenure of 2 years to 3 years, anywhere between 2 year and 3 year, the highest interest rate offered for this tenure is also by Yes Bank, which is 7.25 for general and 7.75 for senior citizens. This interest rate 7.25%, if you invest 1 lakh for 3 years, the interest that you are going to earn would be rupees 24,054 rupees. And if you invest 5 lakh, you will earn an interest of rupees 1,20,273 rupees. And for senior citizens, the interest rate is 7.75%. For this interest rate and for a tenure of 3 years, if you invest 1 lakh rupees, you will earn 25,894 rupees as interest. And if you invest 5 lakh, you will be getting an interest of 1,29,473 rupees. If you feel this video was helpful, then please hit the like button. It means a lot. And for more similar contents, please subscribe to Your Schemes. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.